This heater is absolutely amazing. I had a lot of those little small heaters. I believe they're probably far less efficient than this thing is. This thing feels so efficient. The air coming out of it is so, it's so warm, and it projects out so far, but yet it's also still very, very quiet. It's just amazing. You have sleep functions, you got oscillation, you got temperature settings, you got all of the different ways that you can end up running this thing through. Like, you can turn the sound off. So now I got the sound off, or on. Then I can turn the sound off. Now I can adjust the temperature so it doesn't, by the way, I'm using the remote control, which is also awesome. I can move through the different functions, have it just be the fan, or I can have it on heat in the various heat settings, or I can set it for a specific, sorry, all right, I got a little excited. I can set it for a specific temperature there. It's actually just a really, really beautiful and nice fan. I mean, look at that. It's so quiet too. It's just, I don't know if you can even hear it. I doubt you can even hear it. I mean, I can hear it, but there's a fan in there blowing, which is remarkable to me. This is by far my favorite heater. And by the way, I own literally like probably 10 heaters or more. I live in Montana. It's cold. So yeah, this is the best of all of them, hands down. And it looks the coolest. So I'll just sit in that corner by the TV, not ever pointing at the TV. Probably should move it a little bit so it doesn't go towards the wood there. But overall, it is just a phenomenal product that looks absolutely stunning and is very, very amazing in its ability to produce a great amount of heat. So I'm just absolutely impressed. I can't think of anything that I don't like about it. It also, of course, has tip safety features and everything else like all the fans do now. So I'll turn off that oscillation feature. Let's turn it a little bit here. I think once it gets past 45 degrees, it turns off, which is nice because a lot of them, if there's not a thing on the bottom, then they'll turn off. Well,
I'm going to plug this in. Turns on. You can see that the plug is plugged in. You power the button. And right now H3 is the highest.
Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I got this from Amazon. It's a Dreo. It has several options, the timer and rotation. These are has a good quality. I use the other smaller version of this. Totally like it, and it has also remote control. That will great if they add app control tool. You can control by your phone, but regardless of that, has a